Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. Got some packages in the mail for my home service center. I've got a jacket on because I do keep it cooler in here. This is where all the computers are running, so I do keep it cooler. Winter is great for that. And we have a cable. Oh good, I really hope this is the right cable. Brand new. Is it brand new? Look at that. I didn't realize it was brand new. This is a SSF 8470 to SSF 8087. It is the SAS to mini SAS. I hope that's what that is because that has a cover on it and I don't know. But from the photos I saw, I'm hoping that's the right one. Oh, I really hope that's the right one. So this is supposed to go from inside the computer to the inside PERC 5 PERC 6 card or H700 and to the hard drive enclosure, and that's definitely the right cable there. So I won't know until, well, let's open it up. I got to do it anyway. I'll know as soon as I see that plug. The end of that cable, if that's the right one. Yes, I'm pretty sure that's the right cable. The mini SAS. I'll know in a little bit when I go in and I check it on the server. But that looks just like the mini SAS cable that I need. And then that is definitely the one for the hard drive enclosure. So we might get this stuff put together here one day. And this, I know it's in here just because I recognize the name. This is from the same company I've ordered from before. It's heavily packed. I might need scissors for this one. Let's see how it goes here. Oh, that's good. Peel that right off. So, if all goes well, I'm going to have enough equipment and parts to put things together. We're going to start assembly of my hard drive array. Oh wow, more tape. So if I could recycle tape, we'd never need tape for our store. Again, bubble wrap's always a good thing. So, those look nice. That should fit my Dell 2950s. So I've got one down here. Let me drop the camera down. So I'm here at the hard drive enclosure, and I'm quite sure this is going to fit, but we'll try it. Upside down. Yep, see, that's a good fit right there. So I knew that was right. I could tell by looking at it. Now we'll take it over to the server and have a look and see if the other end fits on there. I hope so. I think so. See, I've got really no room to work with. I hope I can get this out of here. I got to try to remove one. I'm going to have to do it with put the camera down. This is the H700 in my Dell R710. I'm going to see if I can get this off, and then I'm going to see if I can get the cable to fit in there. And if so, I'll just run it through the rear slot and up into the hard drive enclosure. So, I'll be back in a minute. That's a nightmare. There's no room in here. That took me forever to get that out. That's the same cable. That is tight. I don't know if I'm going to get this in and on here. I don't know if I want to try. This is going in the other Dell anyway. But if we look, See if I can hold them side by side. It's awkward. One hand. They're the same connection. So I'm pretty sure that's the right one. That's going to fit. That's the exact same cable. Anyway. But this is just way too tight in here. The other Dell is buried under another server right now. I don't know. Let me take it over and have a look. See if I can fit it. If it's any better than this. I gotta use two hands to get that back in there. That is tight in there. Now this server, there's more room to work in. Let me short myself out on the ground. Just popped it. Look at that. That one's nice. And then this one, I'll pop right in. This is the server I'm going to use anyway. One-handed is awkward. Come on now. There we go. There it is. That's the one. So we're good to go. And so that's got two. I'm going to have to figure out how to configure. I can put a second controller in here, so I might pop the one out of the other computer and put it in here for now, and to get by, because both of those, well, I'm not sure. Those, yeah, they run up to the front, to the back plane, so they're both being used on the back plane. Although I'm not sure, I have to look up the wiring on that. But there's 6 drives in here, and a DVD player. Actually, the DVD player is serial ATA, but there's 6 drives in there. Yeah, well, I guess we'll figure it out when we start putting it together. But it works. Gonna pop out a hard drive and just see. This should pop right in into the 2950s. I like some resist. There we go. Yeah, good to go. It's awkward going underneath there. Okay, so I'm gonna put that back because that's a running computer right there. All right, we've got some 5 more hard drive enclosures, or hard drive caddies, I should say, for the hard drive enclosure, and my cable. I think now I've got the screws, I've got the hard drive enclosure, I've got the hard drives, I've got enough trays. I should be able to start putting things together. Actually, I got the hard drives in the box right there, so I should be able to start putting things together step by step. So the next video is probably going to be either me working on a server or putting this together now. Hopefully I'd like to get to it tonight. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, well, a very simple video opening up some more server parts for the server center. Thanks for watching. Very simple video, but exciting. We're building up to the big server center, getting everything together. And please like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon. Get notifications of videos uploaded, and let's see this all come together. Talk to y'all later.